Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be reviewing numbers 100 in my list of 100 top traders. And today we'll be reviewing the holdings of the James Small Cap Fund, ticker symbol JASCX. Now, this strategy has done so well for me, it's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC stock tournament with returns of over 53%. You can also see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. Now, what we merely do is follow the holdings from the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find them in such magazines as these. And we find their holdings through these free websites. Then get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of July 7, 2009. Now, we have the holdings of the James Small Cap Fund. Okay, you can see all his holdings here. You can see that he has SPTN coming in as a moderate buy with a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. He also has SPSX with 4.0 out of 5 stars, or moderate buy, and Tupperware, ticker symbol TUP, with 4.0 out of 5 stars. You can also see all of his holdings that come in as a hold, and all of his holdings that come in as a sell at this time. So with that, let's go to the charts. SPTN is a food warehouser, and it is Spartan Stores. Now you can see it's currently under all of its moving averages, which shows a good deal of upside resistance for the stocks. Now, balance of power is clearly negative, but stochastics is indicating a bit of a possible buy signal soon. So if that were to happen, I would say still it would be kind of tough for it moving higher because of all these resistance levels in the forms of its moving averages. So this would probably be one to stay away from now because of its hard time getting above all these averages. As for SPSX, I could not find any chart system, any charts on this one. So on to Tupperware. Now Tupperware is a different story. Now this one is clearly above all of its moving averages, so that leaves a lot of good solid support here for the stock. So not much chance of it going down because of these various support levels here. Stochastics had a buy signal a while back. It's halfway in the range, so this one's probably something you folks may want to take a look at. So the moderate buys are SPTN, sorry folks, with 4.2 out of 5 stars, and SPSX and TUP Tupperware. All those come in as moderate buys. So again, I'd like to remind you, all analyst recommendations are as of July 7, 2009. And what we merely did is review the holdings of the James Small Cap Fund, and we got an average analyst ranking through these free websites. So if you'd like a more up-to-date on the holdings of the James Small Cap Fund, you can just go over to Stockbreaker and then these free websites to get an average analyst ranking. So again, on to my disclosure disclaimer time. Disclaimer: I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my family and friends' accounts. Also, I am not affiliated with any other websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own none of the stocks talked about today. So again, this is Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP, saying thank you and see you next time for